Naka-play na?
1, 2, 3, go!
Park and fly. Say hi. Hi. Arrived at Terminal 2. Hi, Mary. Wait lang. 6, 7, 8. So we're currently at the boarding gate. We bought coffee and we're waiting for boarding. 7:05 pa yung boarding namin. And it's currently 5:35. Sobrang aga namin, 'di ba? My God. Pero it's okay kasi magagalit si Papa Bert. So yan, magkakape-kape muna kami and kakape-kape muna kami and kakain because super duper early. We have 2 hours pa.
So what's up here? We are here in the airport. We're going to fly in the air with, gang, another day, another watch.
Wow, ano ka? Randomizer. Oh, here.
What about that we see? Do they have any water?
Morning.
New Year's Eve cabin. Estimated flight time is
Aboard ka. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. A day na lang. A day na lang.
Asas tuloy ng burak.
Include us in your vlog.
So, we're here na sa Katiklan and nag-book kami through Southwest. Tapos, pupunta na kami sa Terminal, Jetty Port.
Hello guys, welcome to
So, I didn't know na may new port. And this is Tabon Port. Hindi kami sa Jetty Port. Siguro this is new. Looks new. Yeah, it looks new. Asa si Auntie Ann?
Pa-edit na lang.
So, dito kami nagdaong. It's because malakas daw yung alon sa kabila. Kaya dito. So, rinig na rinig yung ano mo sa vlog ko. We're waiting for our bus going to the hotel. To Belmont. So, we already talked to the Belmont and wala pang available room kaya kakain muna kami. So, we're currently at New Coast. Tapos naghahanap lang kami ng food dito kasi may mga shops naman dito and restaurants. Kaya dito na lang. Dito na kami muna pupunta ng D-Mall kasi malayo yung New Coast sa D-Mall and hassle kasi we have kids, you know. Go guys!
Walang lumubo na daw.
Go Yui! Oh! Go! Ayun yung dalawa doon. nagkakayak. Ang kulit. Ni Mama. Kunwari hindi pa basa pero basa na. Go, go for the run, for the run! Sobrang unpredictable ng weather. Ngayon, medyo dito maaraw, dito maulan, di ba? Like, grabe, pero ang ganda. So, ito yung private beach ng New Coast. Ayan. Tapos dito you can play volleyball and you can do frisbee, kayaking, paddleboarding. So, everything is for free. Kasama yun sa mga nagstay dito sa New Coast, guys. So, ito, walang ibang nakakapasok dito. Kundi yung mga nakastay lang here sa New Coast, like Savoy, Belmont, Chancellor, or whatever. Ayan, sobrang ganda dito kasi konti lang yung tao, syempre. Diba? So, I really recommend staying here. Ang ganda. Wala lang. Kung ganda yung weather, okay lang. Pero yung ulan ng oil, huwag naman nasama. Guys, yung view dito is yung keyhole. Ayan. Ayan yung keyhole. Tapos, beach. Basta ang ganda ng view dito. Tapos, super duper ganda ng vibes. Like, perfect. Ganon. Chami, say hi to the vlog! What are you playing? What are you playing? Sand. Wow. Wow, shell. You found it here? Okay, that's great. Okay, wash your shell. Careful. Show them your shell. Wow. Yeah. Buko.
Orange. Yes, yes po, yes po. Okay.
Kumunang ka, hindi kasi si Chuju.
Fine.
Lunch by the beach, guys. Yeah.
Pinagmamalaki yan ni Kuya.
Kuya, pag ako hindi umiyak dyan.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. May bagong tourist attraction sa tapat lang ng sa tapat lang ng Belmont Hotel.
Welcome to our Casa Lalena. So this is our room. We're twin room. And we have chair, a TV, and ito nangapit bahay. And we have a balcony with construction ongoing on the pram. This is the CR. We have so this is the other room that we book. So this is their queen bedroom. Almost the same. Pero naka-queen bed lang. Then same with balcony and CR and stuff. So yun. So later maggagala lang kami for dinner and yun lang. Bye na muna kami. Bye. So meron silang alfresco area dito, guys. Ayan. Tapos you can make tambay here anytime. It's grass. VIP! VIP! Ba't Cebu ka sumakay?
pa, mama.
Wait lang. So, time check. It's 4:59 p.m. And we're gonna go to the mall for our dinner. Nagkakagulo po sila. Nagkakagulo po. Hi, family! Kanina ako nang mag-isa.
いつもは通らない商店街の隅古い喫茶店のドアを押したマスターが静かに水を置いてくメニューも見ないでブレンドを頼んだ
So, we're in search of our dinner restaurant. Naglalak. Buti hindi umuulan, guys. It's currently 5:36. We're at the mall. This is my favorite Halo Mango. Halo Mango! Ay, ang cute, oh! Bili tayo dyan.
Tawagati. Tawag.
Ito sa vlog ni T. Isasama niya. Ayan siya. Si Larp.
LARP. We eat here at Tres Amigos, Mexican-Filipino food. We ordered sisig, chicken wings, tacos, seafood platter. We're gonna eat here. So for today, we're gonna be trying out the tacos. Thank you. We're gonna be trying out the tacos. Okay, so we're done eating. Gagawin ko na ang plan. Find the mamas.
What's up?
Ayan o, shake. Parang unsatisfying.
Sarap, sarap.
Ang sarap. Tatry ko yung ube ng ice cream. Kaso nawawala. Ayan.
Awit.
Ang hap na ube.
Babay, mama.
Ube mama craze. Yar, let's go. Chummy. Sa Davao. Is it yummy?
Yes.
Can I
We love
try
it.
also?
Di ko lang sinubo ang putek. Ito black rice na ice cream. Masarap. Masarap yung sa ube, mama.
Back at the hotel, guys.
Hey! First day in Boracay! 6-7, scuba. Du bist gut genug. Oh. Let's go.
Guys, look. He's moving. May bagal mo. Si ano yan, Gary? Okay, bye.
Good morning. Day 2 at Boracay. So we're gonna eat sa breakfast buffet downstairs. It's currently 7:45 a.m. Kaya nga, ayun yung pabango nila. So I'm gonna video later the food. Good morning. Wow! Hot dog. Okay, bye! Hey, y'all! Nalulunod na po siya, guys. Isos. Nalulunod. Hey, y'all. It's beach time.
Guys, naiwan yung technique.
Okay, bring it back to Riri.
Bili nga din naman ng ano, ganyan, katulad kay Chami.
Okay. So, we're all ready.
Naiwan yung technique niyo. Wow, I like it.
Riri, say hi to me.
Hi!
Galit siya. Ayaw niya yung
We're here at Station 1, Grotto. Buti hindi na umuulan, guys, pero sobrang lakas ng hangin. Riri, say hi! A wild creature appeared in the sea! So, time check, 12 p.m. Super duper lakas ng hangin. Pero super ganda pa din. Yeah, it's 12 pa lang. Tingnan nyo yung mga trip nila, guys. Wow, 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 wow. Hi guys! We're here at Station 1 pa din. And we're gonna eat at Nauka.
I'm just done taking a bath in the beach.
Yeah. As of now, super duper lakas pa din ng hangin. We're gonna eat first.
Eating time.
We're not eating at Nauka. We ordered scallop, pulpo, yempo, calamares.
Magsasabaw ka.
lagyan mo octopus.
So, we're done eating and we're walking at the beach. Oplan, hahanap ng anik-anik. Yung nakita namin sa TikTok, beside Jerry's Grill daw. So, we're gonna walk there and check if meron nga. Pag wala, edi wala. Pag wala. Mga ano daw doon, mura yung mga bracelet, ganun. So, we're gonna walk. So, kasama lahat ng family. Wala na silang magagawa doon. Hindi ako sa sobrang hangin. Wala akong picture. Kasi ikaw ayaw mo mag-picture. Dapat ilaban mo yan. Yung buhok ko nga. Ayan nga maganda. O, tignan mo kasi. O, tignan mo. Mukhang sinahangin. What a weirdo.
Guys, nahanap na namin.
Yan ba yun?
Oo.
Ano, lahat tayo papasok?
Oo. Tchanan!
Cornstarch na.
Tomboy! My little tomboy! My little tomboy. Ready?
Gender reveal.
So, we're gonna take pictures wearing our blue outfits.
What's up, guys?
Outfit check.
Mga picture ni t-shirt sa ilalim. Bang bang.
Naka-video ka.
Video call.
Pumunta sa Dubai.
Sila guys.
Grabe ka, Direk. Direk, ayusin mo, Direk.
Boo! Oh, oh, oh! Ah, ah, ah! Boo! Pwede tayo dyan. Let's go!
150 daw, bo. Isang try. 150 ka na.
Miko, pakitaan mo, Miko. Kahit ang dami kong natikman na mama, hindi ko pa natikman yung banana. Ube pa lang, coco, and ano nga yun? Banana ba? Mango pala. So this one pa din yung favorite ko. Halo mango. The best. Good morning, y'all. So it's day 3 in Boracay and super maaraw na ngayon. 7 a.m. pa lang. So, punta muna kami ng beach. Mamaya na yung flight namin eh. Kung kailan pa uwi kami, saka siya aaraw. Ipapakita ko sa inyo paglabas namin ng hotel. See, guys. Maliwanag na yung skies. Tapos may araw na. Ayun na yung araw. Oh my God. Kung kailan pa uwi kami, saka may araw. Diyos ko. Guys, kitang-kita nyo ba yung araw sa amin? Like, nakakainis. Mga holy larp.
The sun is larping.
Yeah. The sun pranked us, bro. Hi! Dito na kami sa beach area ng aming hotel. Ano ba, te? Yung buhok mo. Sobrang ganda pag maaraw. Oh my God. At saka pag tuyo yung ating floorings. I love it here. Good morning, y'all. Riri! Hi! Good morning! Galing na kaming beach.
Galing na kayong beach?
Oo.
Pupunta pa lang kami.
Hi guys, we're gonna eat now. We have this. May ham, may sardinas, pansit, and egg. We have 3 different types of eggs. And of course, ang ating coffee. So yummy. Hi! We're going to... Ay, Team White tayo. We're going to the new keyhole for a bed para makapag-picture kami doon. Since maaraw naman na. Hi! Hi! Wow, larpers. Grabe yung ano niya, putok na putok. Yung blush on niya. Hey, going to the keyhole, guys. May isa dito hindi naligo. Ay, dalawa pala. Pero yung isa halatang halata eh. Di ba na nag-t-shirt eh?
Blue yarn.
Blue yarn.
Sabi niya, yung gusto lang mo pala eh.
Sobrang daming tao, guys. So, hindi ko na na-videohan yung keyhole. Tapos, sobrang init. Tapos, nag-picture na lang kami saglit. Then, we're going back to the hotel na agad. Tingin nga na hindi naligo. Eh.
Nandito na kami sa port. Tapos, punta na kaming airport. It will be like 10 to 15 minutes travel. Nagawa mo. We're at the bus now going to the airport.
Mother.
Hi guys! This is Andre.
This is Andre. Hello po. Thank you po. We're at the bus. Tapos mag-aantay na lang kami papuntang aircraft. Nadelay kami ng 40 minutes. Maulan kasi sa Manila. Dito na yung maaraw. Kaya, goodbye guys. I-end ko na kasi I'm so stressed.